normal flow means, see, in the browser, what we're trying to do with the help of web, we're going to display the content, display description in the browser. Okay, I will open this browser now. Right, so this is my browser page. Right, this is my entire browser page. Correct. What a normal flow means, the browser, what it will do in the web program, right, in the web program, whatever the HTML tags we are giving, whatever the HTML tags we are giving, it's going to display from left to right, from top to bottom. Correct. So till now, what we have seen, the output, what we have written the program, how the output has been displayed in the web browser, it has displayed from left to right. Right, it's displayed from left to right and top to bottom. Right, top to bottom. This is what a normal flow. Normal flow means how the description, how the data is going to be displayed in the web browser. How the data is going to be displayed in the web browser. Right, by static or by default, it's going to display from left to right and top to bottom. This is what a normal description, right? Normal flow, how it will display in the web browser. Now, to display this one, to display the description, so which type of elements we have used? We have used like block level elements, nothing but block level elements, nothing but the element whichever we are giving, whichever we are using, like H1 paragraph, right? H1 paragraph, all those things are block level elements, right? Block level elements, I have already told many times, whatever the tags we are using, right? Whatever the tags we are using, all those tag description. For example, H1, I am using like SVIT college. That SVIT college displaying in the browser, right? So if we use the background color, right, for H1, how it will display? One rectangular box is displaying, right? Under that, that SVIT college is displaying, right? That one under the rectangular box, that particular SVIT college display means whatever the content we are using, all contents is displaying in a rectangular box. Right? This is what we have seen in the previous program example. ಹೌದಾ, ನಾವೇನೇನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ H1 ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಥವಾ P ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೇ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಬ್ರೌಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದು ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗುಲರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗುಲರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ರೈಟ್? ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. That is what the block element means. Whatever the tag we are using, all the tags are displaying the content in the form of blocks. Those tags we say it as a block level elements. Those tags we say it as a block level element. In normal flow, we'll use basically block level elements. Right. Example for block level elements like paragraph tag, then division tag. Then you can say anything, header tags, like H1 header tags. Then table, right? Forms. All these are comes under block level elements, because if you use PD, H1 table, forms, everything, okay, yeah, but it will be not displaying. Means default background will be what? Background color will be what? White. So only the content is displaying. By CSS, or if we additionally if we give the color, then it is displaying. For example, P, I am using a background color red. Only for content paragraph, that content will be displayed, right, in the red color rectangular box. Correct. So that displaying, right, each content, each tag what we're giving, all are in a block level. All are in a block level. Okay, I will show an example now for more understanding. So what we go, I'll go to here. So doc type, then HTML, then head. Title I will use like block level, and I will close the title and close the head. Okay. What I will use, okay, I will go to body and I will display the Then I will use some parameter. Okay. Something like replace created by for on 5 departments. Okay, this is some close the body. Uh, Close the body. Close the HTML. Okay, I will display. I will just save this. Go to